Welcome to Bayport Yachts, where our outdoor display is always full. Located at 2530 West Coast Highway in Newport Beach, California, we're graced with three beautiful wooden restored boats here today. It's the end of July in 2014. We'd like to invite you in anytime. We're open 7 days a week. We are proud to be Chris Craft and all the Jeanneau power brands, from Prestige Yachts to NC, Cap Camarade. Again, we're located right in Mariners Mile, Newport Beach. Take you a walk through here. This is a 1948 Chris Craft, fully restored, concours winning boat in Lake Tahoe. Here's our beautiful office building. Corporate headquarters located here in Newport Beach, California, as I say. We've got a full complement of Chris Crafts in inventory right now. Brand new 22 launch, 25 launch. First one is the 22 in a silver bullet metallic paint. The second one is cashmere metallic. Then we're lucky to have this Palm Beach yellow 28 launch. Very rare boat. Next to it is a 2005 classic Yacht Club blue with the racing red stripe, 28 Corsair. You see one of our service trucks there in the photo. That's a 37 Carver Voyager, a 28 Maxim, a 42 Sea Ray, 53 Navigator, rounding out what we've got here for sale right now. That is a 28 Cobalt in for service with our service department. So give us a call here at Bayport Yachts, 949-631-0228, where we always have something for you to take a look at. Thanks.